Now some of you might be wondering, how exactly does one la la like Tom Scott? Take it away, Gabe!
Throw your hands up and avoid them like a goal. Here's what to do, they'll get you like a doll. Just bounce around, it's easy for me. Go crazy now, it's big stage like a sheep.
So, you know how to switch like a fish, I see. But, is that all you can do?